The favorite, Golden Fortune. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Golden Fortune from the outside, cuts away by the rail, and Cat May, Prying Eye, Sangre del Tigre, and Sharp Cookie is bringing up the rear. That's the lead, followed by Golden Fortune in second, Sangre del Tigre moving up on the outside to take third, Sharp Cookie, Cat May, and Prying Eyes. Rounding the far turn, cuts away by 3.5 lengths, followed by Golden Fortune by the rail in second, and moving up on the outside, Sangre del Tigre. The last bend for home, cuts away by the rail, moving up on the outside is Sangre del Tigre, and Golden Fortune in between horses, moving up on the inside is Cat May. At the top of the stretch, it's cuts away by the rail, and moving up on the outside is Sangre del Tigre. It's cuts away in the lead, followed by Sangre del Tigre on the farther outside, and finally at the payoff line, cuts away Golden Fortune, Sangre del Tigre.
3, 6, 4.